If you want it, Haitian All-StarZ. Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
So we're gonna go into the open letter freestyle.
This deep right here, you know.
Yeah.
It's like sort of like when the Jay-Z record came out. Of course, my man Chip called me and was like, "Yo, listen to the Jay record." And when I heard the record, I love the record because it's all factual. You know what I mean? So when my version of open letter, when you hear it, and I'm talking about, yo, I was on, you know, with Bill Clinton on the Air Force One. Ain't nothing you hearing about this thing. It's like some kind of fantasy stuff, you know what I mean? So you got to pay close attention to the lyrics. I talk about politics, you know, about the political run, you know what I mean? Open letter serious, man. Check it.
Yes, man. April showers coming soon, y'all. Pay attention. This is YRB Jean in the building.
We here.
The true Haitian All-Star.
One side, yeah.
Come on in, Miss Sean. Mon cher. Alright, let's get into it, y'all. It's open letter. YRB Jean. Haitian All-Star.
Oh, you didn't hear this one yet, right? You heard it already?
Okay. Let's talk about April showers, man. Let's talk about April showers. Let's talk about midlife crisis.
Yeah. The most exciting thing for me about this tape, you know, shout out to everybody, because the tape leads into the album.
Right.
The album is Carnival. The Carnival Begins.
Okay.
So, you know, like by the time we got to the album, you know, we got T.I., I got 2 Chainz, I got so many surprises. I got Estelle. I can keep going. I got all types of stuff. But the idea of the mixtape, I love it because it's discovery. When we did this score, Harry, if you remember, half of the people on the score, nobody knew who they were.
That's right.
It was just dope MCs.
Outsiders.
You know what I mean? We had the Outsiders. We had Akon. You know what I mean? And so the idea with
John Forte,
big shout out.
Yeah.
The idea with this mixtape.
You know, when he got out of jail, I don't mean to cut you off. When he got out of jail, he came to interview me. I was doing a show in Jersey, Axiom Online, Global Jam Session. As soon as he got out, I was one of the first interviews that he did. So shout out to John Forte.
Shout out to John. I'm glad that, you know, me and him got a chance to sit down and talk and square things. You dig?
Wow.
So that was a big moment for me too. You dig? You know? So that was deep.
Yeah, no doubt. So yeah, you were saying about the score.
I was saying the score. Yeah, but I was saying the idea of this tape is half of the people on the tape, you ain't gonna know who they are. You just gonna be like, yo, this MC is dope, because the idea is of discovery and bringing out new talent. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
That's what it's about. So I'm excited about that. And as far as me, you know, the pen game is crazy because that side of the brain is reactivated. Like I said, you know, the joint midlife crisis. You know what I'm saying? Some said I had a midlife crisis. Ducati twin pick on my birthday. YRB Charlemagne, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's, you know what I mean?
Well, you know, we the same sign, you know what I'm saying? I'm October 3rd. You know what I mean?
How we crazy, man.
So let me photo on the Ducati.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, okay, what's Clef doing? And, you know, I was with Beast. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah, shout out to
shout out to Big Beast. So I said, Beast, what's your man doing on the Ducati with the Speedos on?
Once again, I saw the country got divided into 2 sides. All the girls was with me, and all the dudes was going crazy. Like, what's Clef doing, you know? But once again, you know me. I'm the same guy that bought a goat on the stage.
Right.
Like at the end of the day, you know that I don't take, when it's time to bug out and have fun, you know, because at the end of the day, you got to be careful with your life. Because sometimes if you were just living for people, right? Man, I'm with a Ducati with a twin pick, man, and a Speedo. What possibly could be said about me that hasn't been said? I ran for prayers. At the end of the day, I was so happy that, yo, it was my birthday and I was alive.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm glad you're finally explaining it, because, you know, a lot of cats didn't get it, and I guess you just clarified
let me tell you. If you cats got it, I would have thought something was wrong with y'all.
Yeah.
But the girls got it, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then the thing is, though, also, right? For me, you gotta understand, 40s, right, to me, are like the new 29s. So at the end of the day, right, you don't have no excuse right now if you or you saw that twit pic, even if you acting like you ain't see it, nigga, you know you saw it. At the end of the day, you gotta, if you look past all of that, you gotta be like, yo, this nigga look alright, and he for what is it that he's doing? You know what I mean? So let me, better yet, versus y'all hating, you know what I mean? Let me let y'all niggas know what I'm eating, nigga. Let y'all know what I'm eating, nigga. Jesus, wakalalu. Lambi.
You missed it last week. We had some cremas up in here, man. Shout out to Ingrid Austin Daniels with the cornbread and cremas.
Haitian All-StarZ.